What is Binance? The world of blockchains and cryptocurrencies seems mesmerizing. With newer innovations and applications, they hold the potential to transform our lives dramatically. That said, as crypto evolves, an exchange emerges, or is it vice versa? Whatever be the case, we cannot forget the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchange that caters worldwide. Yup, it's Binance. About Binance. It was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, a software developer experienced in creating high-frequency trading software. Binance is registered in the Cayman Islands and is the world's largest exchange in terms of the daily trading volume of a cryptocurrency. While Binance was based in China, its headquarters were later shifted outside due to increasing regulations on cryptocurrency in China. Brief history. The founder of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, founded Fusion Systems in 2005 in Shanghai. This company focused on high-frequency trading software for stockbrokers. In September 2017, Binance was founded, and its headquarters were moved out of China and into Japan due to the Chinese ban on cryptocurrency. In 2018, it was the largest crypto exchange by market capitalization, posing stiff competition to Coinbase and several others. In March 2018, it planned to open an office in Malta due to severe regulations in Japan and China. It also signed an MOU with the government of Bermuda. Later, in 2019, Binance Jersey was formed, a separate company from the parent Binance.com. It was focused on expanding its European influence. The company faced several peaks and valleys during its journey. In 2022, Binance took a $200 million stake in Forbes. Understanding Binance Exchange. It offers cryptocurrency trading at the lowest transaction costs for cryptocurrency exchanges. It has a highly robust, secure, and efficient multi-tier architecture that claims the capacity to process 1.4 million orders per second. It enables users to trade in over 500 coins including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and others, with discounts offered to those who pay in its native BNB tokens. Similar to other exchanges, Binance allows listing, withdrawal, and fundraising using cryptocurrency. Binance is used by thousands of traders to invest and exchange cryptocurrencies. Other services. Apart from exchange services, Binance offers several other tools and platforms too. Binance Earn, a staking platform, enables investors to earn rewards by staking their stable coins. Based on the type of coin and tenure, users earn interest on the amount staked. Binance Smart Pool offers users the opportunity to switch between cryptocurrencies for mining and enhance their income. Besides, Binance offers a site launchpad to host its emerging blockchain projects and API interfaces. Additionally, it offers a Visa card, which is a credit card that helps convert cryptocurrency into fiat and use it to buy other products and services. Another amazing feature is its technology arm, the Binance Labs, which helps cryptocurrency project teams by funding development and advisory services. Cryptocurrencies. During its journey, it launched two native cryptocurrencies, Binance Coin BNB in 2017 and Binance Smart Chain BSC in 2020. Binance allows its users to pay fees on its exchange using Binance Coin. Binance Smart Chain operates on Proof of Stake Authority, a combination of Proof of Stake and Proof of Authority. Closing thoughts. Apart from being the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance offers a myriad of tools and services for the benefit of traders, investors, and participants. It offers great advantages to users through its two cryptocurrencies, Binance Coin and Binance Smart Chain. Though there are numerous crypto exchanges, Binance continues to rank in the list of top players on the leaderboard.